Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock new Pet Loadout feature in Grow Garden game of Roblox new Farmers Market update. Okay, let's get into it guys. The Farmers Market update has been dropped in Grow a Garden and they have added new secret feature. You can go to the Pet Loadout right here, click on this icon, and then here you will see the plus button guys, and when you click on this icon, you will be able to unlock Pet Loadout 4 and it costs 10 trillion shackles. Okay, and I'm going to click on confirm. Okay, and now the Pet Loadout 4 has been unlocked and you can unlock more. Okay, but it costs 100 trillion shackles and I don't want it, so I'm just going to cancel it. And okay guys, that's how you can unlock new Pet Loadout feature and Grow a Garden game on Roblox Farmers Market update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!